Recognize you are not alone in this universe. The entire galaxy is filled with celestial beings. It is time to connect with those beings. Remember, you are born from the stars. This planet is not your home. This is a very temporary experience. When you recognize your galactic family, all will be revealed to you. Surrender, let go, trust the process, focus on your body. Where are you feeling the energy? Consciously focus on that area of the body. The universe is teaching you. The next level lies ahead. All you have to do is breathe. The universe is completely safe. Once you feel comfortable, you will begin the illuminating process. Let go, surrender, and repeat. Feel the white light entering every cell of your body. All will be revealed to you. Just breathe. We are opening up a portal to higher dimensions, expanding our consciousness. Open, let go, surrender, and repeat. We are here to discover our most infinite selves. Illuminate all the obstacles so they can be removed in front of you. Now is the time. I am infinite. I am made of the stars. The stars are within me. Recognize every cosmic galaxy is inhabited within you. Every planet, every star, everything you see is within you. The entire universe is within you. Just breathe. Your galactic family is always here watching. The light is within. Harness this light by connecting with your galactic family. All will be revealed to you. Just breathe. With your next inhale, begin to draw that energy up the spine, illuminating the crown chakra, opening the doorway to your star family. If you are ready to receive the messages from your star family, this is the time. Once you fully let go, all will be revealed to you. Just breathe. This universe is within you. You are infinite. Recognize your galactic family has always been there by your side. You are never alone, always being guided. Let go, surrender, repeat. With each breath, drawing more energy into the body up to the crown chakra, connecting to higher consciousness. Your star family is waiting for you. All you have to do is breathe. They are waiting. The time is now. Let go, surrender, repeat. Your galactic family is waiting for you. Answer the call. Be present. Recognize that family has always been with you before this birth and even on to the next. You are infinite.